If you're going through a breakup, the first stage of that grieving process is 100% denial. You probably cannot believe that this breakup is happening. You probably still are holding on to hope to getting back together with the person that you broke up with or that broke up with you. And this is a very normal part of the heartbreak process. But if we just continue to hold out hope, what happens is we're either going to be stuck in the past or stuck in the present. Like, we find it really difficult to move forward. So let's do this tapping together to accept our breakup, no matter how painful and unbearable this feeling that you're feeling is. Just know that you can process it. It's safe for you to feel it. And let's just tap so we can remind our bodies of that. Before we begin, if you need extra support, join my program, Healing Heartbreak with Tapping. We are going to tap through the 5 stages of grief, and denial is one of them. There's sadness, resentment, anger, and finally acceptance. So if you need extra support in this journey, in this heartbreak journey, please, I would love to have you in there. You will release so much and it will be life-changing for you. All right, but for now, whenever you're ready, let's start tapping. I feel a deep pain and loss from this breakup. It hurts. The pain is overwhelming. I'm struggling to accept it. I don't want to accept that this relationship is over. I feel so sad and hurt. It's hard to imagine life without them. My pain feels unbearable. I'm grieving the end of this relationship. Even though I'm in so much pain, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. I acknowledge all these feelings of pain and loss. I honor these feelings of hurt. And I allow myself to process this pain. I allow myself to release some of this hurt from my mind and my body. I'm letting go of the intense sadness. I release the pain from my heart. I'm open to healing from this breakup. I accept that it happened. And I choose to find peace in this acceptance. I accept that this relationship has ended. It's not the end of me. It's not the end of the world. I'm so much more than this relationship. I'm my own person. And I choose to see that now. I'm finding joy and happiness again within myself. I'm open to new beginnings. There's so much to look forward to in my future. I trust that this breakup is leading me to something better. I'm grateful for the growth this experience brings. And I'm ready to move forward with love and hope.